Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School, Rania. So student, in this video we're gonna discuss about four things. Outstanding expense, what is prepaid expense, what is accrued income, what is unearned income. So let's start. So first we're gonna discuss about outstanding expense. Outstanding expenses which have been incurred but not paid during the current accounting period. Okay, those expenses which we haven't paid yet, it known as outstanding expenses means kharche. Okay, here example to with these examples you can easily prepare the accounting equation. Total rent I have to pay 12,000. Rent paid, how much rent I paid? 11,000. Okay, means remaining 1,000 is left. Okay, it's why write dates here, because it is accounting period 1st April 2019, and when it will gonna end, when our business 1 year is end next year 31st March 2020, like your session. Okay, like 12-month session is there of your classes. Okay, now earlier you were in 10, now you are in 11th class. Okay, how 1,000 rupees is pending, you haven't paid this expense, this kharche, that is known as outstanding. Okay, next, outstanding rent rupees 1,000, because I have to pay 12,000, how much I had paid? 11,000. 1,000 remaining, so it is called outstanding expense. Okay, we are talking here about rent is also known as kharche. Outstanding expense. Okay, 1,000 expenses, this will be shown on capital side. Okay, this will shown on capital side of a balance sheet. In earlier chapters I will told you what is balance sheet. Now it's not need to know about balance sheet, because we are preparing accounting equation. First we'll clear only the portion of accounting equation. Okay, outstanding rent 1,000 expense is kharche, where we gonna write? Under capital side of balance sheet, under capital side of balance sheet. Okay, and liability, less these outstanding expenses from capital, and where we have to post it on liability side. Okay, balance sheet is divided on two parts: liability amount, asset amount. We have to minus it from liability side, outstanding rent. Okay, so no need to go further into this, because we are preparing only accounting expense. Keep this much thing in your mind. Think in your mind how much is you paid and how much is pending. That pending is known as outstanding expense. Next, prepaid expense, those expenses you have already paid. Okay, or in advance you paid, that is known as prepaid expense. Example, total rent 12,000, rent paid 13,000. Okay, means you paid 1,000 extra or prepaid expense. Okay, so this rent is known as, if you are not paid, that is known as outstanding. If you are already paid any kharche, any expense, that is known as prepaid. Okay, so hope you understand this topic. If you are paying, your cash is going to be decrease. Okay, if your expenses, your kharche is pending, that will less from your capital side. Okay, if you already paid your expenses in advance, then it will decrease your cash side, it will gonna minus from cash side. If in accounting equation, it will gonna minus from cash side if you paid extra amount, that is known as prepaid expense. Yes, and in accounting equation, if some amount is pending and you have to pay it in future, that will gonna be minus from capital side of the accounting equation. This will show on liability side, means this side of balance sheet. Okay, and this will show on asset side of balance sheet, prepaid expense. Okay, don't need to go balance sheet part, you have to keep only this thing. Okay, now hope you understand these two topics. Now we're gonna discuss about what is accrued income and unearned income. Okay, so student, accrued income means which earned but not received. Example, salary. Example, school fees. Okay, is that income which has been earned but not received is known as accrued income. Example, total rent 12,000, rent received 11,000. Okay, how much you earned 12,000, but how much you received 11,000. 1,000 is still accrued income because you haven't received it. Okay, so in accounting equation 1,000 is gonna add in income. It is income, you will gonna add on capital side. Okay, you will add this thing on the capital side of accounting equation, and in balance sheet you will show this much amount on asset side. So keep this portion you have to fill in accounting equation. Okay, accrued income is which you earn but not receive. How much you not received must be add to capital side of accounting equation. Last one is unearned income. Unearned income is you haven't is that income which has been received but you haven't earned. Okay, or some income you received in advance, that is known as unearned income or income received in advance. Example, total rent 12,000, rent received 13,000. Okay, you have to receive 12,000 but you are receiving 13,000, 1,000 extra amount, extra income you are receiving, that is known as earned income. Okay, then you will add 1,000 or cash side. Okay, in accounting side two sides are there na, cash or capital. This thing you're gonna add in cash side, and unearned income must be shown liability side of the balance sheet. Again I am repeating, accrued income must be add to capital of accounting equation. Unearned income must be add to cash side of the accounting equation. Prepaid expense must be gonna minus from cash because we already paid it. Outstanding expense must be less from capital side because it's a liability, I have to pay that amount in future also. Okay, so these 4 points, 1 2 3 4 must be keep in mind only this side. Okay, while performing accounting equation. Hope you understand this topic. Thanks everyone.